Welcome to another hair hack tutorial. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then roll that ponytail into two halves and then secure one half inside the gap of the other. Take the lower section, roll it upwards and then you are done here. Decorate it with your own wish. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, tie it in the form of a Juda again and then roll it downwards, securing it properly with the help of a bobby pin, and you are done. Take your hair, make it in the form of a half ponytail, insert it through the gap, tie the lower section again with the rubber band, roll it upwards, insert it through the gap, roll it upwards again and then secure it with the help of 5-legged Juda pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a higher ponytail, make it look like a ribbon, tie the lower section again and then insert it through the gap, roll it upwards, give it a look like a bow and then you are done here, tie it and secure it properly. Take your hair. First, divide it into 3 sections and then keep tying plaits out of them after making it look like a ponytail. The plait should be very complex as in our grandmothers used to do. Now take the lower section, roll it upwards, tie it again, make it through the gap, roll it upwards and then again secure it with the help of a rubber band and clip, just like this. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, roll it downwards, then make a gap, roll it upwards, then insert all the gaps together, then tie it properly and then secure it with the help of a beautiful scrunchie. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail and then roll that ponytail with the help of your finger inside and so that it looks like a gappy part and then insert a Juda pin through that gap to secure. Take your hair. First tie it in the form of a ponytail, then take a straightener and then roll the ponytail downwards and then secure it properly. Take your hair, roll that ponytail with the help of a Juda pin and then secure it properly just like this so that it looks like a messy bun to you. Roll it downwards and upwards as your wish, just like this. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then take that ponytail, roll it downward, secure it properly just like this and then you are done here. Take your hair, first tie it in the form of a ponytail, roll that ponytail around and beyond that circular part, insert it properly and just like this you are done here. Take your hair. First tie it in the form of a half ponytail with the help of your fingers and then roll the fingers upwards with the help of a clutcher. By securing it properly, you are done here. Take your hair. First tie it in the form of a ponytail and then insert one scrunchie and then around that scrunchie tie your hair and then roll it around the circular part, tying it again with the help of a rubber band or a clip. Repeat the same process with your finger and then roll it upwards, securing it with a fancy butterfly clutcher. Thank you for watching.